okay as you're heading into town this morning too. Let's look at your drive times. Now here's Paul with a check of our weather.
And it's wet. It's going to be wet for a while, all the way through the peak of rush hour, because the steadiest rain is moving in, of course, right as we head towards that peak of rush hour. It always works out that way. Let's take a look at what's happening right now. The number in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, that shows some good news there. We're not talking about thunderstorms, 0 lightning strikes across the mid-state, but there's plenty of rain. We'll start with the driest part of the mid-state, northeastern middle Tennessee. Yeah, a bit of a break right now to the east and northeast of Nashville, but all this rain moving into Nashville is eventually going to head your way as well. Right around Nashville, the farther east you go, it's not as wet, but still plenty of puddles out there because of the initial bands of rain that moved through overnight. And the heaviest rain still looming out to our west over Dixon County, back into Humphreys and Perry counties, and back into Decatur and Henderson counties as well. All this moving right along Interstate 40, so it's going to be wet out there for the morning commute. It happens a lot, so just be prepared to allow some extra stopping distance and some extra time in Melanie. It'll try to keep you ahead of any trouble spots that develop. Zooming out for the wider perspective, you go northwest of Nashville into southern Kentucky and far northwestern middle Tennessee. The showers are really going to be winding down quickly today. The rest of us are going to have to wait for this to all pass through before our rain chances will wind down later on today. Looking outside, yeah, just a wet look, but everything moving along okay here on I-40 in between the Adventure Science Center and downtown. A wet look from Battleground Academy in Franklin. Similar view here in Smith County. This is what your windshield would look like even when it's not raining. There's going to be some road spray, some mist, some drizzle as well. Everything's rain. No ice, no snow. Temperatures are in the 60s. So unusual for this time of year. 65 Nashville, that's the warm spot, but even the cool spot is 56 degrees in Livingston. Some cooler air to our west and northwest is gradually going to move it towards us as we head through the day, but it's going to be gradual, the same way the showers wind down. So as those showers move to the southeast, our temperatures will drop a couple degrees by noon, maybe a peak or two of sunshine this afternoon, but I think that's about it. If you see some sun, enjoy it because you're the lucky one. 65 degrees for a high temperature. Actually, the official high has already happened. It was 66 degrees a few hours ago. Let's check out Futurecast. It shows that rain this morning winding down as we head towards noon, but still a lot of showers in eastern and southeastern middle Tennessee by lunchtime. That tapers off by early evening, but we're still going to be in the process of getting rid of the last of the rain showers by early evening. Partial clearing tonight. If the skies clear out overhead, dense fog is going to develop again by early tomorrow morning. As that burns off, we should see some sunshine like yesterday, kind of a mix of a lot of high cloud cover, but some sun peering through. The next band of rain going to be knocking on our doorstep already by 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. Most of it will move in well after midnight tomorrow night. The bulk of the heavier rain is going to happen during the day on Thursday. So at least we get a dry day tomorrow with a little bit of sunshine. It'll be cooler, still way above normal, those highs in the mid-50s, and then back to way above normal temperatures Thursday through the weekend, highs into the 60s. It's not record-setting, but it's weird. Another chance of rain late Saturday night, probably after midnight. That sticks around on Sunday. So during the day Saturday looks like your best opportunity to get out and enjoy the warm weather with highs in the mid to upper 60s.
Still baffled by this warmer temperatures. All right, enjoy, folks. 5:52 right now. Still to come on Channel 4 News today. We have some crazy video to show you.
Yeah, it all starts